Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is ban, a B1 level verb that means to prohibit something officially. It's a very useful word in English, especially when talking about rules, regulations, or actions that are not allowed. Let's break it down. When you ban something, you officially say it cannot happen or be done. For example, you might say, the city decided to ban smoking in public places. This means smoking in those areas is now prohibited by law or rule. There are several synonyms for ban that you might hear. Words like prohibit, forbid, or restrict are all great alternatives. For instance, the school prohibits the use of phones during class. Or, the museum forbids flash photography in its galleries. These words carry a similar meaning and help you vary your vocabulary. On the other hand, let's talk about antonyms for ban. Words like allow, permit, or authorize mean the opposite. For example, park now allows picnics on weekends. Or, the company authorized employees to work from home. These words highlight situations where actions or activities are officially approved rather than restricted. Now, how do we use ban in everyday life? You might hear it in conversations about laws, rules, or even personal decisions. For instance, I think we should ban junk food from the house if we want to eat healthier. Or, the government plans to ban single-use plastics to reduce pollution. It's also common to see this word in news headlines, such as City Council votes to ban fireworks in residential areas. Here are a couple more examples of ban in sentences. The airline has decided to ban large carry-on luggage on certain flights. They were upset when the app was banned in their country for security reasons. It's a versatile word that fits well in discussions about policies and choices. To summarize, today we learned that ban means to officially prohibit something. We explored synonyms like prohibit, forbid, and restrict, as well as antonyms like allow, permit, and authorize. I hope you feel confident using this word in your own conversations. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and keeps us going. I'd love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using ban and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see how you use today's word. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye for now.